visiting Split, Croatia, we took a spontaneous road trip to Bosnia and were surprised by this unique country. In this video, we'll share 2 beautiful locations in Bosnia and Herzegovina that you can visit during a day trip from Croatia. We left Split early in the morning and arrived in Mostar as many of the shops were opening. The tourist attraction of Mostar is Stari Most, or the Old Bridge. Originally built in the 16th century by the Ottomans, it was destroyed in the 1990s during the war and was rebuilt in the early 2000s. The best views of the bridge and surrounding area are from the Koski Mehmed Pasha Mosque. A very narrow staircase takes you to the top of the minaret with fantastic views. We spent the morning exploring local shops and ate lunch before heading to our next stop. The Kravice Waterfall is a large waterfall about an hour away from Mostar. In the summer, it's a popular swimming hole, but in March, the water was too cold, although we did dip our feet in. Bosnia surprised us. The almost fairy-tale-like city of Mostar was one of our favorite places on this trip, and it wasn't even on our original itinerary. Bosnia is definitely a hidden gem for travel. Please like and subscribe for more videos to inspire you to travel near or far.